So in my Windows computer, after opening the Microsoft Word, I created this symbol, and I'm going to change the color also from here after opening my Microsoft Word. So you can see that we have created a, so this is a symbol of we have created an emoji for crocodile using a keyboard shortcut. That is what I am showing in this video. For doing this, you must open your Microsoft Word in your Windows computer, and you must type like this: 1F40A. So you must type like this: 1F40A. Now you can see in your keyboard, you can see this is the Alt key and this is the S key. So you must press one finger in this Alt key and another in this S key. You must press these two keys at the same time. Then you can see that this symbol have been arrived. For more, you can subscribe. Thank you.